Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to block someone on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft Connect application. After that you just need to go of course and log into your profile or register to Ubisoft Connect if you haven't already done that of course. Of course, if you're having struggles with downloading the application, we have a separate video on our YouTube channel where you can learn how you can actually go and do that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus, and of course download manager and the subscribe. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and block someone on Ubisoft Connect. So firstly, what you need to go and do is go and click on your account, and then you have to go and click on your friends. So click on the friends tab in the main menu. So you have it here, as you can see. So use the search bar to find the player you want to, of course, go and block. So find a person. So if you have him in your friend list, he will be, of course, here. He will appear in his name. So just type in some letters. I mean, not some letters, but the letters of his name. Then click on the more button, usually represented by 3 dots next to the player name, and select block. So when you find him, click here, and here you have the block button. Click on more button, usually, and then this will of course prevent the player from sending you messages or interacting with you on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.